Hello friends, welcome to travel along with us. History has been rewritten in Bihar. The 2025 assembly election have delivered one of the strongest mandates in 2 decades. Agreed. The National Democratic Alliance NDA led by BJP and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal United has stormed back to power with a resounding victory. Tonight, we break down what this means for Bihar, for India, and for political future of Nitish Kumar. The NDA crossed 200 seats in 243-member assembly, a near landslide. BJP secured 89 seats, Janata Dal United owned 85, while the opposition RJD managed only 25. The performance eclipses even the NDA's 2010 success, showing consideration of BJP support behind Nitish Kumar and the BJP. The strike rate of the alliance was remarkable. Nearly 85% of the seats contested were won. Nitish Kumar's governance appeal. Despite over 20 years in power, voters placed faith in his ability to deliver stability and development. That sounds the success of the CM of the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji popularity. His national image and campaign presence boosted BJP's performance. Pre-poll schemes and welfare promises. From infrastructure to social support, these resonated strongly with rural and urban voters. Opposition weakness. Tejasvi Yadav and Mahadabandhan failed to counter anti-incumbency effectively, leaving voters unconvinced. So Nitish Kumar emerges as a kingmaker once again, proving his relevance in Bihar politics. BJP strengthens its foothold in the state, showing it can dominate even the coalition politics. The RJD and Congress faces a serious setback, raising questions about their future strategy. This victory signals a continuity of NDA governance with emphasis on development, law and order, and welfare delivery. Except renewed focus on infrastructure projects, especially roads, electricity, and rural development, employment generation will be a key promise to fulfill, especially for Bihar's youth. Nitish Kumar's balancing act between BJP's national agenda and JDU's regional priorities will shape the next 5 years. The opposition will likely regroup, but for now, the NDA holds a commanding majority. The women and EBC vote. Nitish Kumar's long-standing appeal to women and extremely backward classes through welfare schemes provided resilient and was a major factor in NDA's marginal victory. Mention the astonishing fact that dozens of seats were owned by less than 1,000 votes, indicating an efficient vote to seat conversion by the NDA despite an almost identical popular share with MGB. After grueling 24-hour count, the verdict is undeniable. The National Democratic Alliance, powered by Prime Minister Modi ji, BJP, and fronted by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, squeaked past the majority line with 125 seats. Yet analyzing the tally reveals the result that for is less about Trump and much more about a dramatic reshuffling of power. While NDA took the headline victory, the underlying story is a tectonic shift in power dynamic. The BJP, with its 74 seats, now drafts Nitish Kumar's JDU at a mere 43. This signals definitive change. The alliance is no longer Nitish Kumar's but a BJP-led government where he serves as a figurehead. The superior vote conversion is ultimately what rescued the entire coalition from defeat. So Bihar begins a new term with a veteran chief minister and a junior partner wielding senior power and a 31 years old opposition leader who came within an inch of victory. So the coalition is fragile, opposition is energized, and the politics of Bihar has been irreversibly alerted. Thanks for joining us. So whether this results will impact in your own state, if you feel that, please do comment. Stay tuned with us for the further video of this. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this.